Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beyond Sky, your go-to channel for all things space science. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and observable phenomena in our night sky, the phases of the moon. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the moon looks different throughout the month. Let's get started. The phases of the moon refer to the different ways the moon looks from Earth over about a month. This happens because of the moon's orbit around Earth, combined with the relative positions of the moon, Earth, and sun. As the moon orbits Earth, the sun illuminates different parts of its surface. From our viewpoint on Earth, this creates the various phases we see. There are 8 distinct phases of the moon, but let's start with the 4 primary ones. First, we have the new moon. This is when the moon is between Earth and the sun, and the side of the moon facing us is in shadow, making it invisible to us. Next is the first quarter moon. This phase occurs about a week after the new moon. We see half of the moon's surface illuminated on the right side. The full moon happens when the Earth is between the moon and the sun. The entire face of the moon that we see is lit up. Finally, the last quarter moon, or third quarter moon, is when the left half of the moon is illuminated. This occurs about 3 weeks after the new moon. Between these primary phases, we have 4 intermediate phases. After the new moon, we see the waxing crescent. Waxing means the illuminated part is increasing. Before the full moon, there's the waxing gibbous phase, where more than half of the moon is illuminated, but not yet full. After the full moon, the illumination decreases, beginning with the waning gibbous phase. And finally, before it returns to the new moon, we have the waning crescent. So, why does understanding the moon's phases matter? For one, it helps us keep track of time. Many cultures have based their calendars on the lunar cycle. It's also crucial for navigation and has cultural and agricultural significance. Observing the moon's phases is easy and doesn't require any special equipment. Just step outside at night and look up. You can also use binoculars or a small telescope for a closer view. There are even smartphone apps that can help you track the moon's phases. And there you have it, a quick guide to understanding the phases of the moon. Next time you look up at the night sky, you'll know exactly what you're seeing and why it looks that way. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about space science, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Leave a comment below